What's up, Adventurepreneurs? Adam and Lacey here, just about to begin traveling full-time with our 5 kids, all while running businesses on the go. But before we officially hit the road full-time, we decided, what's a better way to give our kids a taste of what's coming up than to go on a cruise? So, we kicked things off with a family adventure to Orlando for a week, and then an 8-day cruise. We're taking you along on our journey, from exploring Florida to cruising through Bermuda and the Bahamas. So buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride.
We started our trip with a week in Orlando, staying at the amazing Holiday Inn Club Vacations at Orange Lake Resort. This place is huge, so big they even had a shuttle to take you around to the different pools and other fun places to hang out and play. Finally won.
Yeah!
Kids love swimming, renting jet skis, and playing games in the arcade. Oh, and catching lizards. I think they might have wanted to keep one.
Yeah, I think we almost had a new pet. Move over, Max.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Waves on the jet ski. I would just go.
Here we go. Right out those buoys. So fun. Oh yeah, so fun. I hope I don't die.
12 seconds later.
I lost my bracelet! I lost both my bracelets!
We also took a little road trip out to St. Petersburg for a beach day and to explore the pier. It was absolutely beautiful and a perfect way to relax before heading off on our cruise.
This was still when cruises required a negative COVID test, so we had a company come out to our condo to test us. Thankfully, we all passed, which meant we were officially cruise ready. Bags packed, excitement level through the roof. We boarded Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Sea and set sail for Bermuda, the Bahamas, and the ultimate island getaway, Coco Cay.
The first day at sea was packed with fun, water slides, surfing the flow rider, live shows, and exploring everything the ship had to offer. And the food, oh man, was the food incredible. We
even convinced Adeline to try escargot, aka snails, for the first time. It was one of our favorite moments on the cruise. The whole dining room and wait staff cheering her on, and then after a lot of hesitation, she finally did it. Her prize, ice cream, and a big eruption of applause.
Oh my God. Come on, it's just the garlic. Good job. High five.
Our first stop, Bermuda.
Smile, guys. Where are we at? Bermuda. Here, look at me one more time and smile.
We had a couple of days to explore and we made the most of it. We visited the famous pink sand beach, where we took our kids' first day of homeschool picture. Not a bad classroom view, right?
We also went snorkeling and saw some amazing fish.
Fish like this big, like thousands of them. Church Bay. Just got done snorkeling. It's a little choppy, but we still got to see some fish.
And also during an early morning walk, found Glass Beach, a hidden spot covered in colorful sea glass. Next up, the Bahamas.
Where are we at, ladies?
We are at the Atlantis Resort.
This was a special one because our oldest daughter Atlantis has wanted to visit the Atlantis Resort since she was little. Finally, we made her dream come true. We saw sharks, swam in the pools, and went on some crazy water slides. Private Island. This place has the tallest water slide in North America. And of course, we had to try that and maybe even dance our way up sometimes.
get there. Oh my gosh. That was awesome.
You guys like it?
Woo!
We also went snorkeling, saw stingrays, tons of fish. And even a barracuda. Oh, and the food. We even got the secret Snack Shack burger with mozzarella sticks on it. Here's a pro tip. You have to ask for this special because it's not even on the menu. If you know, you know.
We had such an amazing time on this trip, from celebrating our anniversary on board to all the little moments, like the towel animals our room attendant made, and our incredible dinner servers who made every night special. After an action-packed adventure, we were all exhausted, but so happy. Traveling as a family teaches you so much, not just about the places you visit, but about each other.
The biggest lesson, the world is full of amazing experiences waiting for you. You just have to go. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Make sure to subscribe and follow along as we continue traveling the world with our kids, running our businesses, and having epic adventures.
Hit that like button, drop a comment, let us know, where should we go next? Until next time, Adventurepreneurs out.
Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary, happy anniversary. Happy anniversary to you.
I'm sure I will.
I'm sure your face doesn't look
Nice. You got a paddle. Go, Buggy.
Now close.
Now chew it. Think about it.
Robux, Robux. Think of Robux. Robux, Robux.
Oh my
No.
God.
Recording?
Is it recording?
You're gonna go on
I think we're still recording.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
I think you recorded all that.
That's fine. Ready? Fun. Oh yeah, so fun. I hope I don't die. Oh, I'm so excited. There's the bracelet. I lost both my bracelets!